need your help. There's a heavy box. Yep.
There's a lot of stuff.
Yep. Right here.
Box is the one on top.
Right here.
Holy cow. Should we just grab it?
It's really heavy, I don't think.
Hello, so tonight we went dumpster diving at Five Below and we found a bunch of stuff. That's the original box and this is the stuff we've managed to salvage. So I will start on the left side here. We have this room-to-room kind of light. So it's in the box, so that's pretty good. We have a pickleball paddle set. Just 2 of them. Looks like a set of 2 piles in each of them. No ball or anything like that, but... Alright, and then we have these moisturizing gloves, lavender infused, a little bit dirty, obviously we can clean them up, no big deal. Have this little Minecraft keychain. Then we have this plastic grass. This is pretty cool. So we got this on this food truck, make your own mini food, and it's all this different kind of clay, and none of it's bad. It's all in here. Very, very cool. All the different colors, something like that. And then we have this Save the Bees pollinator kit. Alright. Let's see what's going on.
Yeah, I
over here.
pulled the sunlight out and put batteries in here. Oops. It looks like it does work fine, so it's probably hard to see on here, but it's working.
We got some more items over here.
Jumbo Ultimate De-Stressor Ball.
Giant cat.
Cat. With a helmet on or something? Okay. Alright. I wasn't paying attention. Did you do this one?
Nope.
It's like a pop-it ball fidget. Let's see, a Squishums Squishmallow little fidget. I think this is the taco one.
Superman duck.
Superman rubber duck. Okay. Glass protector for your phone. This says it's some sort of like hair remover thing. I have no idea. Okay. Type C aux charging port adapter thing.
Type C to aux.
Okay. This, I think, is like a little Roblox character. We have a confetti push popper. A Luigi fan.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
And then this is a dry erase computer pad, it says, but it looks like the corner piece right here is broken a little bit. But other than that, it looks fine.
Nice. Very cool.
Yeah. All the other stuff in the box, unfortunately, was broken. There's a couple other things, like a big, I think it was like a big squirt gun or something, and a couple other things. But yeah, glad we could save this stuff.